going to talk about spinal stability and what that looks like with the spine. So I'm going to have Haley face this way. And so what we look for in posture is that your ear is over your shoulder is over your hip, and your hip is over your knee and your ankle. And that is really important for spinal stability. We're going to talk about 3 different exercises that are going to help with spinal stability: the bird dog, the side plank, and the curl up. So that's what we're going to show you next. All right, so we're going to talk about the curl up. The curl up is one of those big 3 exercises. So with the curl up, what you're going to do is straighten one leg. That actually takes out the hip flexor, so it's not pulling on the spine. We don't teach crunches or sit-ups anymore because they can damage the disc, and this avoids that damage. The next thing you're going to do is put your hands underneath the small of your back like this. And that actually puts your back into extension. We know that when you flex forward, it damages the disc in the spine, so this prevents that flexion from damaging the disc. So from this position, you're just going to slowly just curl up from that position, about 2 inches off the floor. You're going to hold it for 1,001, 1,002, and then go back down again. And that's what the curl up looks like. All right, so the next exercise is the bird dog. And so what the bird dog looks like is you're going to take the opposite leg, opposite arm, and you're going to slowly and deliberately stretch them out. Once you get there, you turn around and come back, and then you're going to do the other side. What's important with this exercise is that this stays flat the entire time. There should be no hiking of the hip at all. I should be able to set a glass of water on there, and it should be able to stay still when you do it. So that's what the bird dog looks like. All right, and the final of the big 3 is the side plank. And what the side plank looks like is you're going to lie on your side. You're going to put the one foot in front of the other, the top one. You want to be in a straight line here. And then from there, you're just going to actually come up and hold, and then you just want to come back just a little bit this way. A lot of times people will roll their shoulder forward, and that'll make the exercise easier. And then you're going to hold for time. So you're going to hold for about 30 seconds. So that's what the side plank looks like.